Tired of Facebook's top navigation bar stealing your focus? Let's declutter your screen and dive into hiding it for a cleaner browsing experience. First, head to the Chrome Web Store or your preferred browser's extension store and search for an extension called Stylish. This is a great tool that lets you apply custom styles to websites. Once you find it, click the Add to Chrome button and confirm the installation. Stylish will add a small icon to your browser toolbar. You can also use other custom CSS extensions, but Stylish is user-friendly and fairly popular. Now go to Facebook and click on the Stylish icon in your toolbar. You'll probably see some basic pre-made themes at first, because you have just now installed the extension. Select Create New Style for Facebook. This will open an editor where you can write the CSS code to hide the top bar. Inside the Stylish editor, you are going to write the CSS code insert code to hide the element responsible for the navigation bar at the top. Insert underscore for SPN display none. Into the editor, don't worry too much about the specifics. This bit of code is your magic bullet. Save your Stylish code and refresh your Facebook page. Boom. The top navigation bar should now be gone, leaving you with a much cleaner and focused browsing experience. That's it. Enjoy your decluttered Facebook.